Hi and welcome to today's video. Today I'm here with the June Glossybox unboxing, showing you what I got. This video is late because my box didn't come. It mostly comes around the 14 to 17 of the month, but on the 20, I think it was 25th, and it hasn't come yet, so I had to contact this customer service again, telling them, hey, my box hasn't arrived yet, and they told me then it must be lost somewhere. So I messaged back and forth with the customer service, and one thing was funny, that first I got replied in Swedish, and then in Norwegian, and then in English, and then back to Swedish again. So they have different for the evening and the weekend time, different customer service. I wasn't expecting to have replies back in the evening and weekend, but that was alright. But on Monday was the Swedish back again, and maybe the more regular customer service for us in Sweden. So I decided to have a replacement box. Then when they wrote back, they told me they have found my box. It had never left the warehouse. They don't know why. So I don't know if I got my box or if I have a replacement box. But now it is here. It came like the week after I talked to them. This month will be very Glossybox heavy, because I also did buy the summer limited edition Glossybox, and it came before the June box arrived. So that I think will film after this one, this week. And also the July box, it's on its way. It should be here on Friday or maybe on Monday. We'll see. So the June box had the regular pink box. The glossy mag. A coupon for BookBeat. And the June theme is Poolside Paradise. So the first product is a mascara by Plum and Poppy. And I'm not gonna open it because I'm not sure if I want to open another open mascara yet. And the second product is a lip oil called pH Color Changing Lip Oil by the brand K&DR Beauty. Looks like that. And the third product is After Sun Gel by the brand Mind Tan, called Rapid Recovery After Sun Gel. The fourth product is a hairspray by Schwarzkopf Taft Ultra Mini Hairspray. And the fifth product is a toothpaste by Oral-B. It's called Sensitivity and Gum Calm Original. It's a very big tube. This will last me forever. That's good. Also did get this one in the box, but I didn't want to show it until I show you the toothpaste. A little bit of a PR that now you can buy it in the store. So that's the You and Glossybox. Let me know in the comment what product did you like the most from this box. Thank you so much for watching. Hope I see you next time. Bye!